Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'd like to share with you how simple and easy it is to prepare tasty crispy chicken at home, just like store-bought. To start, get your chicken well clean. Then go in with some mashed garlic, some blended onions, salt, seasoning powder, and curry powder. And after adding all these ingredients, marinate the ingredients very well with the chicken. Please don't skip this part, as this will help our chicken to come out very tasty. And after marinating, you can set aside for between 30 minutes to an hour or more. Or you can just go ahead and continue with the preparation, just as I'm going to do in this video. And now, after marinating the ingredients with the chicken, I'll set aside. Next, in a bowl, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then go ahead and sieve. This helps to remove unwanted particles from the flour. And now, after sieving the flour, added 1 cup of cornstarch. The cornstarch helps the chicken to be more crispy. Also went in with 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. And next, added 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of paprika powder. I also added some salt, seasoning powder, and curry powder. And now give it a quick mix so that all the ingredients can be well combined. And after mixing all the ingredients and they are well combined, add some of it to another bowl. And after adding to another bowl, I set the larger part of the powder aside. And then to the one in the bowl, added an egg, then some water and mix together so that it forms a paste. But please make sure the paste is not too thick, or let's just say the consistency of flour slurry. And after mixing together and the paste is formed, now let's go ahead and coat the chicken with the paste and the powder. And now I'll bring in the marinated chicken and begin to coat them with the flour and the paste. First, I'll start by coating the chicken with the paste. Please make sure that the chicken is properly immersed into the paste. Then next, also coat the chicken properly with the flour. And after coating the chicken with the flour, remove the excess powder from it. And then coat the chicken once again with the paste. And after coating with the paste, take back to the flour. Then coat the last time. And once properly coated, I set aside. But at this point, you can add the chicken directly to a preheated oil and begin to fry. But I decided to coat all the chicken all at once so that I know that I'm done with the coating of the chicken. So after coating each of the chicken, I set aside and repeated the same process for all of them. And now that we are done with the coating of all the chicken, it is time to fry the chicken. And now, the first precaution in making crispy fried chicken is that the oil must not be too hot. So to a preheated oil that is not too hot, added spring onions. You can also use a ball of onions for this. Next, added the coated chicken. I'm going to be frying this chicken for about 15 minutes on a very low heat. This helps the chicken to be well cooked inside and so that outside it becomes crispy. And also, I'm going to be giving it a continuous stir so that it can be well fried both inside and outside. And please stir carefully so that the coating doesn't come off the chicken. Fry until it becomes golden and crispy. And after frying for 15 minutes and it has become golden and crispy, remove from the oil. Then our tasty crispy fried chicken is ready. You can see that this is very easy and simple. This came out not just beautiful and crispy, but also tastes very delicious. You can try this out today by following the simple steps and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. After removing from the oil, repeat the same process for the others. And now we have our tasty fried chicken ready. You can see that this is well cooked inside and well fried outside. And please, if you find this very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Udo's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.